To create a membership product, click on Add Product, Membership. With the membership, you can sell access to secured content on the website. So you can create tutorials, you can create some kind of a video guides or anything you want to sell access to on your platform, on your website. So again, you add your product title and description, an image of the product, as well as product URL that will be automatically populated from the title. And the difference here is that you can assign a member group. So when somebody purchases, they will be automatically assigned to the groups that you've selected here. For example, here we've created 3 different groups in the membership area, the membership functionality. So as many as you show. So in this example, when somebody purchases this membership product, they will be assigned automatically to the basic member group and to the deluxe group. And whatever pages have restriction to these groups, your customers will be able to access them. You can list as many as you want different members groups, and that will be assigned only on a successful purchase. You can add a price with a stock keeping unit, of course, additional information, and a custom thank you page. A custom thank you page is actually, in my opinion, very important here, because after a successful purchase, you can automatically assign them to this custom thank you page, where you can have a link directly to the premium content that they've just purchased for example, the deluxe pages or something like that. You can automatically create this thank you page and send them to the content that they've bought. You can organize into categories as well and subcategories, add a SEO description, and of course clone the product if you want to create similar to that. At the moment, all the memberships are one-time purchase, but very soon we'll be adding recurring payments.